Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove column from pages in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your InDesign software. We can see here horizontal 3 column and here 4 column vertically. Now you want to remove this column, go to the layout menu and select the margin and column option. Then make the column 1 and click OK. Then remove the text box and increase the size of the text box. Now you can see we make the one column and last page we go and delete this column. Now we can see we remove column from InDesign page very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.